the more important part in the meantime. Here is a wiggle. That will not work for Jericho, but there's a tip in.
Long arms of Diamond Stone there.
The whip over to Fajardo. Does not go up quickly. Taylor. Naipit si Junmar. Labas kay Stone. Pinakawalan. Bang!
There he is. Sometimes that's
inside. Asking for a shield. Here's Stone. Got loose.
Ooh. The ambidextrous Diamond Stone.
Space. He has 4 points in this first quarter. Libre. Oh,
okay.
He's beginning to hum.
There he goes. There goes that man.
Why don't
You're
you
a shooter, exactly. You just made a couple.
Galit si Vincicio kasi. Ngayon, lalapit ko lang and just bring it in closer.
Contacting or anything, just no one around him. All of a sudden is, like you said, crumpled. Ooh, nice pass if it gets there. Oh, really nice pass.
Tough catch, and it's Stone who collects it. Nako, their biggest lead was at 10. Junmar, Stone, it goes in!
If I counted correctly, apat.
No. Keeps it from going out. Caraco trying to get Cruz on the blind side, unsuccessful. Yes, he's hurt, huh?
Yeah.
Taylor.
Oh!
There's a follow, and there was a foul as well.
And all of the things that are happening. The Kraken goes over and says, hey, young fella, Andre, your shoelace, tie your shoelace. Getting muscled, and who's got the biggest muscles on Rain or Shine other than Bo Belga?
Oh, what a move by Diamond Stone and Belga, because he just committed that fourth foul. I can imagine.
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating.
It was fun.
That's a good word.
You gotta love the adrenaline.
Oh.
Okay.
Ilan na yan? Ross. We've got 9:37 to go. Under the basket we go with Ross. Tip in by Stone.
Now 35 markers.
Oh. Lob pass. Here's Stone. Yes.
Wow. That's a nice shot.
And
I mean, he's done a
lot. The other day, sino ba yan? Si Sumang, naka-steal. In the meantime, 42 points.
Nice play there by Diamonds. In rounds. Rain or Shine is not out of it yet, obviously. Still with 2:44 to go.